Hey guys, I'm Andrea Peterson, and today we're going to talk about Bakasana, or what some of you guys have known as crane or crow pose. In fact, Bakasana directly translates to crane pose, but for some reason we all like to call it crow pose. I really like crow pose because it relates to, I'm a huge skier and a snowboarder, and I love living up in the snow and the mountains. And when I first learned how to snowboard, I remember the instructor saying, you have to fall. Because in falling forward down the mountain, your body starts to learn how to balance. So this directly correlates with how you find crane or crow pose in your body. You have to tilt just far enough forward that all your muscles activate and you find that balance. So kind of the meaning or philosophy that comes with crane pose is that many yogic texts spend a lot of time honoring nature cycles, or the rhythm of nature, the weather, the seasons, and the passing of the days. There is great respect and fascination that is attributed to the natural world. And whilst the crane connects to health and longevity, the crow is all about transformation and magic. In the same way, whilst a yoga practice can be a way of developing greater health and longevity, it also lends itself to transforming the many layers of ourselves and turning into our own type of magic. Bakasana and other postures that ask us to balance on our hands have a way of bringing up fears and inadequacy within us. When approaching this posture, notice if your instant reaction is one of, no, I can't, or yes, I can. The thinking patterns we each grow up with can carry through life and are often repeated not just within relationships and careers, but on the yoga mat too. That's the thing with a physical yoga practice. We're able to see our habits and we can choose to change them. Lifting into Bakasana, crane pose, we experience the possibility of transforming fear into faith, struggle to strength, and no, I can't to yes, I can. Some physical benefits are strengthening the arms and wrists, stretching the upper back, strengthening the abs, opening the groins, toning the abdominal organs, and improving full body coordination and balance. Some things to think about. Tilt forward. Allow yourself to trust in leaning forward into the pose. Press the ground away from you. Make sure you're looking forward as much as you can without compromising the neck. Draw in the abs up. Tuck the elbows in towards your body. Some modifications that might help you in this pose is if you use a block under the tailbone or do one leg at a time. Watch out if you have carpal tunnel syndrome or if you're pregnant, do not do this pose. Also, just make sure you're working within your own range of limits and abilities. Some of the beautiful energetic benefits that come with the crane crow pose is it builds confidence and healthy self-awareness, it gets over the fear of falling, and it reduces stress and anxiety. Also, one of my favorite things about crow pose is it's all about play. You have to listen to your body. You tilt forward and see if you're going too far forward, you tilt back. You really have to listen to how you feel mentally and physically, and you have to focus. Your mind has to be right with you, present and in the moment. So play, allow yourself to fall. I mean, you're only a couple inches from the ground, and learn what feels good and learn where your balance is right there in the moment, in the present.